Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today in this video we'll see how to add end screens in your uploaded video of YouTube. Before we go for it, I just want to say that end screens are the things that appears at the end of any YouTube video, like more videos link, subscription logo, or it may be also playlist. There are many things inside that. So how to enable or how to put those things at the last of your video, of your YouTube video, will see this. Let us go into the laptop and see. So you can see this is a YouTube channel. I will start from uploading the video itself. So I'll upload a video now. So I have started uploading the video. Once the video is uploaded, it will start processing. So once it completes the processing of HD version, not HD version, HD version, you can see here. After that only you can add end screens. I'll just write something like, once it is processed 100% for this HD, then you can go for end screens. It's not made for kids. Next, you can see in the second option itself, third option, you can see this add an end screen is coming. Well, it is not a monetized channel, so directly I can go to this screen, or else if you have a monetization thing, a second page would come. After that, this end screen page would be coming. So once you land in this page, you can see add an end screen. There are two options, like either you can import from video, I can import from another video. You can see there will be many videos which will come here. Import from video, I'll click here. I can go for all these things. I can select it and add end screens. For that thing also, you have to select videos which already have end screen. Well, if the video doesn't have any end screen, then there's no meaning in doing that. So none of my videos have any end screen. So I'll just go for example, no, there are no end screen. So I'll go for importing, or I'll go back, discard changes. I'll go for add. Instead of going for import from video, I'll go for add. So I'll press add here. And once I go here, you can see this thing will come up. And here there are, again, I land in the same page. And here you can see there is something called plus element. So once I click here, you can see there are like 4 to 5 elements which are coming, like video, playlist, subscribe, channel, and link, which is not enabled here because this is not a monetized channel. Join the YouTube partner program in order to add link elements. Only for monetized channel you can have this link. So you can see here video, playlist, subscribe, or channel. You can add any of these 4 options. So I'll go for video, for example. I'll put all the 4 options to have some idea or a feel of how to add all the options of end screen. So I'll go for video. Once I go here, it's automatically taking like most recent upload. So you can do that, or else best for the viewer. Here YouTube will be deciding which is the best video which suits based on your video, which should be there in the end screen. So if I click here, you can see best for the viewer, or else you can choose a specific video. So once I click here, you can see all the videos of your channel would be coming up. So you can select some other videos like this one. If I select, it will come here. Once again, if I want, you can see here one end screen has already been added, and here the timeline you can see it is showing like 20 seconds. In the last 20 seconds of your video, you will have this end screen. Either you can increase or decrease this thing. Minimum you can go for 5 seconds and maximum 20 seconds. So the end screen is starting from 20th second of my video. My video is almost 32 seconds, so hardly like 12 seconds of end screen. You can also decrease it to this point, like from 27th second it will start up until 32 seconds, like 5 to 6 seconds of end screens. I'll show you some other elements as well. So for adding other elements, you can at best add like 4 things in your end screens. So I'll go for another element. I'll go for playlist here now. So once I go to playlist, you can see many playlists of your channel would come up, or either you can select this, or you can add some playlist from YouTube, like if I add Google Play or something. So many playlists which are already on YouTube would come up and you can select. So instead of that, I would prefer to have my own playlist. I'll go back, I'll press escape, I'll add once again, I'll press element, playlist. I'll have my own playlist instead. I'll go for example, time management videos. It has come. So this is a playlist which has been added into InScreen. Next, I'll go for subscription button. So if I click here, you can see my logo and my subscription thing has come up here in the InScreen. But before that, you have to prepare these things. I'll have another video how to prepare this logo, which would always come up in your video for subscription. So this thing has come up if I press subscription. And now the last element, that is channel. So once I click here, any channel on YouTube, for example, I'll go for infotainment, my channel name. So this has come up. I'll just click here. So we can also promote some other channel in your InScreen as well. After adding all these things, all kinds of elements in the InScreen, I can save here. Don't forget to click this save button, or else your InScreen won't be saved. You can here, as I said, you can change the timing also, like from 5 seconds to 12 seconds in this particular video, because this video itself is very small, like 32 seconds. So I can save it. So my InScreen is done now. When I watch this video, I will get all the InScreens at the end of my video. So this is how you add InScreens. So I'll just press next, and save. Make it public. Fine, publish. So I can go to content. I then can see or check whether my InScreen is visible or not, or available. I'll just click here. I'll watch it on YouTube. Okay. So here you can see if I play this video, I'll straight away go to the middle portion of the video to have the first look of the InScreen. So here you can see at the 20th second my InScreen has started. I'll pause here. You can see a video, a playlist, my subscription button, and this channel. Fine. So you can, if I click on something, it will take me to that link as well. Right. So friends, this is how you can add InScreen in your YouTube videos while uploading. So in our other video, I'll show you how to edit InScreens when you have already uploaded or like saved your InScreen while uploading a video. Like after one or 2 months, you want to edit that InScreen. You want to have some more videos or some other video or some other playlist in your InScreen. So how to do that, I will tell you in another video. For this video, this is it. I hope this will be very useful for you while uploading your videos. Don't forget to put InScreen, because it will have a great effect, or it will tremendously increase your visibility of other videos if that particular video is viral. So why not use those InScreen, which will increase the visibility of your videos, playlist, channel, as I have said you, those 4 to 5 elements. So please put InScreen while uploading your video to improve your traffic to your YouTube videos and channel. So friends, if you found this video useful, please like this video and share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this basic feature of YouTube, that is how to add InScreen. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos that will make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. We'll come up with more of such little technical videos on YouTube and various other digital things. So till next video, see you again, see you soon. Thank you.